Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kukua and this is Kukuasinspiration. In this video, I will share with you how I make my pre-poo treatment for my 4C natural hair. In order to come up with this natural treatment, I will need the following ingredients: hibiscus flower, next chili powder, next is chili pepper, then coffee, cloves, ginger cleaned and washed, next is onion cleaned and washed. Of course, I will need tools for this, and I have my knife and spoon. This spoon measures half a tablespoon. I will also need olive oil and of course my water. First, I'll cut the ginger and onion into pieces. And add to my pan. I will also add the rest of the ingredients. Finally, I will add the water and put this to a boil for 10 good minutes. After 10 minutes, the solution is nicely and well cooked. Today is my washing day, so I'll pour the one I will use immediately on my hair into my application bottle. And I'll store the rest in a bottle and keep it in my freezer. I will keep this in my freezer till I'm ready to use it for my next wash. For the one I'm about to use for my hair now, I'll add some drops of olive oil, shake it very well for easy use. After spraying this on my hair, this will make my hair very soft and easy to be detangled. Like I always say, stay dedicated because it's not going to happen overnight. Hope this video will motivate you to get up and go and wash your hair. Thank you so much for being here with me. I'll see you in my next video as I show you how I apply this on my hair.